Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you're doing wonderful, amazing in your life wherever you are. I welcome you all to my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. This is your general love reading for December 2020. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, so take whatever is resonating according to your situation, Aquarius, and leave the rest. Okay, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you, my lovely Aquarius. Okay, I don't read reversals, Aquarius. I don't read reversals, and gender is not specific here. So take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I always say this. Let's start your reading for December 2020. And Aquarius, there are some kind of completion. You are completing some kind of karmic cycles. Okay, there is 10 of wands, world, and queen of wands, king of wands, sorry. So you are completing some kind of cycle. Okay, 10 of wands is releasing all burdens. Okay, you are releasing all burdens which you are carrying on your shoulder, and there is a completion here. Okay, let me see. Let me see what are the messages. Help me out to deliver the messages which are important to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Please guide God, spirits, angels. Too many cards. Fairy. Six of wands is there. You're getting success, recognition, and some victory. Okay, let me see. Okay, seven of swords. Help me out to deliver the message. Three of cups. Give me the important messages. Help me out to deliver the messages which are important to deliver. Wow. Six of cups. Two of cups. There is a soulmate for you, Aquarius, which is from your past. Six of cups is a person from your past, and it is also a card of soulmate. And there is two of cups bottom of the deck. Okay, let me see. Any other important message? Any other important message? Help me out to deliver the message. Any other message? Give me the important messages which are important to deliver to my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. Help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, every single positive energy around me. Seven of wands, devil. You are protecting yourself from this devil. The wheel of fortune is moving in your favor. Okay, wheel of fortune is there. After spending sleepless nights, nine of swords, you were unable to sleep properly, Aquarius. The lovers is there. Okay, bottom of the deck, I'm having four of wands. Let me see any other message, because there is seven of wands here, so I can say that there is someone from your past which is sneaky, manipulated, devil. But you are protecting yourself. Your defenses are high and you are protecting yourself. Okay, two of swords and the sun. Any other message? Any other message? Help me out to deliver the message. Three of wands. Any other message? again I'm having bottom of the deck, Six of Wands. You're getting success, recognition, Aquarius, in some manner. I don't know what it is, but you're getting your success, recognition, victory. The Wheel of Fortune is there. There is some kind of judgment, the Star, the Five of Wands, and Queen of Cups. Any other message? Too many cards. Too many cards. Any other message? Help me out to deliver the message which are important for my beautiful magical beings. Help me out to deliver the message which are important to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to deliver the message. Okay. See you again. Strength, Six of Wands, Aquarius. You're getting success in achieving your clarity. Ace of Swords and Page of Pentacles. There is some kind of small message or some small offer is coming towards you which will create a clarity for you. Then there is, you are single, abundant right now. Some of you are enjoying your singlehood, but there is a divine pair here. King of Wands and Queen of Wands. Sorry, why I'm saying Wands? Okay. King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Okay. Yeah, they're coming towards you to offer the cup. I'm not going to take these cards. Why? Because I'm going to clarify these cards in the extended one, and I'm going to take these energy in the extended one. That's why I'm not going to take these cards here, okay, in this video. But Aquarius, I'm going to start now your reading. Okay, so you are completing some kind of karmic cycle, Aquarius. There are 10 of Wands and the World card is here. So you are releasing some kind of burdens which you were carrying on your shoulders. Okay, the World card is there. There is someone around you who is the King of Wands. There is some deceptions, lies, cheating, manipulation going on, sneaky behavior who is deceptive. Okay, the person is from your past. Three of Cups. Okay, Three of Cups basically resembles celebration and all, but here today I'm getting the energy of third party situation. Okay, so something which in which you are involved into third party situation. The person is from your past. Six of Cup is there, but you are protecting yourselves. Your defenses are high. Okay, you're protecting your energy, you're guarding yourself. Seven of Wands is there because you know that there is some devil. You're protecting your energy from the devil. There is something in which there is something which is not good for your health, which is not good for your life, which is toxic. Okay, obsessive of something is devil. Okay, anything which you do in excess is devil. So there is something which is not good for you, but the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Okay, Aquarius, Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. And after spending some sleepless nights, you are starting a new beginning in your love life. Okay, the Lovers is all about love, soulmate, twin flame. So you're starting a new beginnings in your life. you are unable to make a decision before. Okay, why you are unable to make a decision? Indecisiveness, and you are waiting your ships to come. Okay, Two of Swords and Three of Wands. You are unable to make a decision about something, but the judgment has come in your case, and there are some conflicts which are surrounding yourself. Judgment, Star, Five of Wands, and Queen of Wands. Okay, so there is some kind of judgment in which you're getting new hopes and desires in your life, but there are some conflicts which are surrounding you, Aquarius. Okay, so there is this Queen of Cups is you. Queen of Cups is all about who is emotionally available, who knows the value of emotions. Let me add some oracle, and I'm going to clarify these cards in the extended reading. Then I'm going to tell you more. That's the reason I'm not taking these cards more. I took those energies back on the card because these were more energies. So the video will be a big one. So I'm going to take these cards. Help me out to deliver the messages which are important. Give me the message which are important to deliver. You are completing some kind of cycle with the devil. Again, the World card and the devil is here. So yes, there is something which is toxic for you, Aquarius, but you are completing some kind of cycle here. The devil and the world, and the devil and the world. Both from my both deck, I'm getting the same message for you. There is someone who is toxic for you, which is not good, which is not right for you. There is some toxicity attached to this person. You're completing some kind of cycle with this devil. Okay, let me see any other message. Any other message? Wheel of Fortune, Fool, Justice, and High Priestess. Justice is served in your case. Okay, you're taking the leap of faith. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, and there is High Priestess here. Okay, so you are using your intuitions. Okay, that's the message for you. Okay. Wheel of Fortune and Wheel of Fortune, double Wheel of Fortune is there in your reading. So Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Okay, you are taking the leap of faith, and justice is being served in your case, Aquarius. That's the message for you from my oracle. So you are completing some kind of karmic cycle with this devil. Okay, devil can be anything that is toxic for you. And I'm going to clarify these cards in the extended reading. Okay, I'm going to take these cards in the extended reading, and I hope it resonates with you, Aquarius. Okay, let me adjust myself a bit more. Okay. I'm sorry, today my energy is low because there is a reason. Okay, but don't worry about it. Now I'm feeling better when I am doing your reading, because I always feel your energy, Aquarius. It's all energetic. Always your reading is always good and powerful, that after doing your reading I feel very light. Okay, so today's message is that you are completing some kind of karmic cycle with the devil, Aquarius. You are protecting yourself, and that's very good. Okay, and you want to start some kind of new beginning, but you are unable to make a decision, and you're waiting your ships to come, but the judgment has been served in your case. But there are some conflicts around you. There are some conflicts around you, and I'm going to see these cards in the extended reading, and then I'm going to tell you more. Okay, so this was the reading for you, Aquarius, for December 2020. I hope I help you out in some manner. I hope it resonates with you. Okay, so take whatever is resonating. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to take if you want to tell me anything. And see you soon, my Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, light, and healing to you all, beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, to all over the world.